Therefore, me money acquire about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel, so Mr. And there, your first time or has subscribing and clicking notification bell on this so am I. Now, we are the latest news be about once I Ebeka Metro send your subscribe will screen so. Now, this is a pepe am I. We are a WhatsApp number near that screen as an okay, send your subscribe and near that so no. And it's a pepe man. We are WhatsApp number near that screen as and what doing trade yeah. Ube to me a free and I'll be to me a sending a message, a very reply. Mr. You can't be what has saying, I say, Uncle ya, and yes, I will buy a bit the attempt, comments box to me. Yenya, the bit to me the attempt, but Yenya, young boy, what doing trade, and I ye be now, and so when near Mr. Ube to me a friend, now I can't change, yes, son, your best son. Now, you saw your Facebook page link, a description box, and more click it. Now, like your Facebook page, you know. It's for young clients, I'm saying, now what you will the news be about a year when the she, while we picture net out screen is someone. And about when the she, a conversation a year President Kufuor, ex-President Kufuor. Now, sa picture no Ghana for Bebre, Eddie Yasris, and maybe more, you're very disappointed in President Kufuor, maybe more so you're very disappointed in when the she. Because in the picture, it looked as if President Kufuor wasn't focusing on the camera na 800 picture na say na President Kufuor share when the share sabi ne no for na Ghana for bebre ka say Kufuor peshe any anim say when the share ngasa wa bonnwom a wo kan wo say Kufuor peshe Mahama peshe Kufuor do so peshe na wo mu na when the share post picture we eto ne Instagram na baby Ghana for di when the share who ya say caption when the share edit to hono or say I went to meet the chief Uber driver ex-president Kufuor. Now later you be hwehwe mu na me be breaking news na chemo say the entire when the share e call hono say YEA Youth Employment Agency wo share Youth Employment Agency ya ka say wo mo board na so nipa wo ya chairman Samuel Uku MPP for national year organizer. One no that sabon na into Youth Employment Agency for one more any other celebrities or just some for celebrities be a fan say celebrities no one more ambassadors. Youth Employment Agencies no or ambassadors and these celebrities no into the celebrities no be call akosra Ghana mpanyifo na mudru ho ade ese mo ye ne se ese mo Ghana fo hu ejuma Youth Employment Agencies ne ye because Youth Employment Agency no wo mo claim say wo mo provide jobs day in and day out e Ghana for youth mebunu no but yente nti no wo mo provide opportunity be say ambassadors mu committee mpanyifo be say a wo mo nim say media no e be cover nti media no cover now the aye opportunity aka in some Youth Employment Agencies no na we no ye ka kire ambassadors no but when the share call ho wie ya wo kotwa sa picture no o be post sa picture no social media no one can be bia anfa Youth Employment Agency ho nti na Ghana for hu de say when the share na nkasa ne management e na ede no Kufuor ho ana Kufuor na nkasa na to nsa frɛ no nti no nsɛm no video no be picture no be call viral nkofo kasa wo ho a nkofo bash when the share nwa we ya na afeye be hu say say ade ne kanye when the share ne pen no de call and nam Youth Employment Agency so and na wo de call into no na senior ensem no ekon na say when the share e ba bonten e be ye e be Ghana for apology into no obe ma apology e be tron something say the entire picture no Ghana for no ya fa no wrong one be there esisa na afina omo de share Ghana for and na wo mo de share Ghanaian bloggers. You must say, oh, Ghana funny, you found wrong, you found the way. But maybe the say when the share, that wasn't the only picture only Kufuor try. I don't know this picture a brain. Because obviously, me to me, like I said, which move trap and one picture, who should be to say Kufuor, then one picture pen and move trap. Photographer be a new one will be taking only one picture. Into obviously there will be a picture now Kufuor air camera name, but wow, person Ghana forecast no. Into what they say picture we a bit so hot. Na ehwa ba asem a wo ebe blame Ghana for say ye ne yan fan the right way na eno emasame eku eba bonten ebe kasa wo be kasa tia when the shame me the story no ebrel wabekasa tia ambassadors no so say yesre mo kwa monye ade a yasem say mo ba mo beka ho asem no onye say mo amode mo pe eweka ko bibia na breaking news about this and say YEA4 asake Wendy Shay na they appointed Wendy Shay as an ambassador basisi ade yasake no as an ambassador for a year YEA. No any story basisi na mynewsgh.com I report on this story. Until now, me try say we the reports no action mo ne ya hwe we na assemble ho say you can ne ya ken no so say Ghanaian Afropop and Afrobeat singer Wendy Ado, known by her showbiz name Wendy Shay, has been sacked as an ambassador of Youth Employment Agency YEA. mynewsgh.com has confirmed. The singer made several headlines last week during a visit to former President John Ejekun Kufuor by ambassadors of the organization to solicit his support for a project. I just say project bi hunti kan e ko na wo de shi. O da fa kwa koye onyama asemo. An image of the singer and the former president went viral on social media, attracting wild criticisms from a section of the public in view of the gaze of Mr. Kufuor, who was seated close. Subsequently, a release from the YEA announcing who the ambassadors were had Wendy Shay's name conspicuously missing. Now, YEA4 releases a statement now. One more ambassadors here, not to say one more Wendy Shay in a film. I see the statement reads, below are a list of ambassadors currently engaged by the agency. Number 1, almost say Kwabena Anochi, a DC journalist, CEO, AIB Group, startup consultant. Not to say Kwabena Anochi, DC no say who nema showbiz name on your friend Bolare. Nti woma ba bonten the ambassadors din abeto ha Wendy Shay din enim. Na first person on who ni din Bolare. Second person almost say Brian Amoaten, pastor, author, life coach, entrepreneur, founder, International Youth Empowerment Summit, President Brian Jones Outreach. Now, Brian Amoaten, I don't think he's based in Ghana, but annually, no, International Youth Empowerment Summit, no, organizer wa Ghana. So, Obekaya, and known last year, or organizer, for the very first time, gospel musicians, Brother Sami, and the Sopoku in so beefy. Now, Brian Amoaten program when my Brother Sami, and the Sopoku a committee, 1 year worship boom for the very first time in a long while. Name said this year, the Omo hosty and 1 more year war, KNUST. Na Lewin in Casa Lewin a command the story war or kind of life story send your prayer say almost to Sanso Efre Kumin one also can asem war almost also to San Efre Ghanaian pastor Kesiepan I friend Eastwood Anaba into no unknown organizer Brian Amoaten one also ambassador for YEA. Jackie Apia and so can yen Jackie Apia, Bibi Bright, yen Bibi Bright, and also your ambassador Emilia Brobe, and also can one also ambassador Emma YEA. Rebecca Donko, CEO Makeup Ghana, startup consultant, founder, CEO healthcare management. Into who's there? Oma Yabomudino, Omo Yankophobia, Sabi, yes, a bit more entertainers, Emilia Brobe, Bibi Bright, Jackie Apia mo. Into musician bia enim sa and mostly no emba entertainers ni choose omo nti na one musician no so yade ne kan Wendy Shay ba se ye ni din efrim. Also, we have prominent people in society ranging from top-ranking public officials, members of parliament, business executives, chiefs, religious leaders, etc., who have endorsed our initiatives and have indicated their readiness and availability to act as advisors to the projects the agency embark on. Notable among these prominent individuals are Dr. Kwabena Donko, former Minister for Power and MP. Okay, so Catherine Afeku, Nana Osei Bonsu, Mr. Sechum Akwabwa into Russia Wama Yobo Mudin and Kofebe Wama Bob Braye. I said these dignified individuals as well as a host of others including CEOs in the banking and you know and no any story I ever see and they say when they say ya cancel needing every a year why ambassadors name na I mean some of us we saw this coming because when the opportunity be say now Oko Kasaba, Uber driver, chief Uber driver, you met your chief Uber driver. That means Charlie, open cloud. What you say, you cast a cloud and now open was and yaka. I'm uncle Freddy Wichi, Uber say co viral, and I co viral now. To see uncle Yamau. And to know what drink our comment box for me, that's it.